till 9 months, what we can expect is, it starts with cooing, then babbling, one sound repeated, then jargons are basically strings of random sounds wherein the child copies the parent, there no meaning but strings of sounds. And the baby, by first birthday, we can keep it in mind that one meaningful word is happening. So child knows the meaning and child is using it consistently. By 1.5 years, what we expect is, child having a random range of say 10 to 15 words which are meaningfully used. And by second birthday, it becomes easier, 2 words there. Roti de do, ball de do. And then by 3 years, what we expect is like phrases, which are not complete sentences probably, but 3 to 4 word sentences. I want to play today. I want to go to the mall. Things like that. So that is normally put, but every child has a range, We can expect a range of say 3 to 4 months, wherein the child might be delayed. But then there might be a growth spurt, and maybe in a week or 2, child might just cover up everything. As far as red flags are concerned, I would like to bifurcate it into 2 ways. One is the connection. Normally parents have an alarm only when the communication, the language part is delayed. But much before that, it shows in their connection part. When the child is very young, that time, child looks at you, child gives a smile. If parents are talking, you look at the mama, look at the papa. That is the connection part. If there is delay in the connection part, very early on you can catch up that something is missing and you need to see a professional. So that is the connection part. And then the communication part, anything, what we discuss in the milestones. If, 3 to 4 months, you can still kind of wait for the child to grow it. But if there's a consistent delay for 6 months or so, roughly put, so then it's a good time to see a professional, in this case a speech therapist.